In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount pop-up in Shopify that captures emails and applies a coupon. By the end, you'll have a professional-looking pop-up that offers a clear incentive and automatically connects to a discount code you control. First, head into your Shopify admin and open the discount section. Create a new discount. This can be a percentage off the entire order or specific products, depending on your promotion. Keep the code short and easy to remember, and make a quick note of it, because you'll link it to your pop-up in a moment. Set any conditions you need, like minimum purchase or product exclusions, then save. Next, go to the Shopify App Store and search for Popup. You'll see options like Pop Convert, Coupon X, and many others. Check reviews, pricing, and the features you care about, such as email capture, exit intent, or auto-apply discounts. Choose a free or paid app that matches your goals and install it on your store, approving the permissions when prompted. Open the app's dashboard and start a new campaign. Select a discount or coupon-style campaign so the app provides the right fields and logic for revealing or applying your code. Give your campaign a name that makes sense to you for future edits. Now, design the pop-up so it looks like part of your brand. Set your colors and fonts, add a compelling headline, and write a brief description that highlights the value of the offer. Include a form field to collect an email address so you can build your list while providing the discount. Keep the form simple. Usually just an email field is enough to maximize signups. Configure when and how the pop-up appears. Exit intent is great for desktop visitors who are about to leave, while a short delay works well on mobile. Adjust frequency so the same person doesn't see it too often. This is also where you connect the pop-up to the discount code you created earlier. Depending on the app, you can display the code on submission or auto-apply it to the cart or checkout via a link. When everything looks good, publish the campaign. If it doesn't appear right away, open your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, select Customize, and look for app embeds. Enable the pop-up app there so it renders on your storefront. After publishing, visit your store as a shopper would and trigger the pop-up to confirm the design, timing, and code application all work as expected. That's it. You've created a conversion-friendly discount pop-up that grows your list and drives sales.